Apple, its color is red. Banana, its color is yellow. Mango, its color is yellow. Orange, its color is orange. Watermelon, its color is green and pink. Grapes, its color is purple. Strawberry, its color is red. Pineapple, its color is yellow. Peach, its color is orange and yellow. Cherry, its color is red. Plum, its color is purple. Kiwi, its color is green. Blueberry, its color is purple. Raspberry, its color is red. Lemon, its color is yellow. Lime, its color is green. Grapefruit, its color is orange. Pomegranate, its color is red. Papaya, its color is orange. Apricot, its color is orange.